You know, triggers of stress are dynamic. They hold factors from different levels in the universe, and sometimes those factors are the ones you least expect, like your husband, your partner of 20 years, being duplicitous enough to fund a holiday with his mistress using your son's summer camp and school money. The man you shared your dreams with is living a lie. 20 years of trust shattered when I found the booking. The twist? The appointment was made by my sister, a therapist, who unknowingly arranged a couple's therapy session for my husband and his mistress. The shock was overwhelming. I realized that the vacation I was planning was for my husband's secret family. His 3 children, all in top schools, were supported with my money. I had a choice. I could confront him and demand answers, but instead, I chose the long game. Some truths are time bomb waiting for you to explode from actions. I acted strong, masked my true feelings, and planned my next steps quietly. 20 years of marriage taught me to hide my emotions well. Stress gnawed at me, but I knew that revealing my pain would only give him more power. I channeled my emotions into reclaiming what was mine, piece by piece, for my son and me. Stress management isn't about suppressing emotions. It's about channeling them. I used my sense of betrayal to fuel my actions, creating a new path forward even as my world crumbled. Stress doesn't have to break you. This is my story. What would you do?